Hey everyone, Jeff back here at the project bench. I had another LED desk lamp go out on me. Fortunately, it seems to just be the wall work piece here. I have a good one plugged in at the moment. This is just my little test lead, so I can hook leads to it. You can see we're getting 1.35 volts. And if I disconnect this and plug the bad one in, you can see we get nothing. So I thought we would tear into this piece wall wart thing, and let's see what makes it tick. And if we can fix it. I'll be right back. I'm looking this over, and it's glued together somehow. There's no lip that I can see of to get in there. So I think, I don't know what I guess I'm gonna have to try and Dremel it out. These are molded in too. I'm sure those are attached right to the board. So I better, I don't know. I guess I'm gonna try and I'll cut it in maybe a 1/4 inch around here. So I'll be right back. Let's see how this little saw blade works. Trying to go as straight as possible, just in case I can glue it back together. And not go too deep to hit anything. I don't have a full charge on here, so. Okay. Well, I picked the right side. I wasn't sure if that USB-A connector was going to be somehow fastened, but hang on, I'm going to just vacuum up this mess here for a second. I'll be right back. Okay. We got the big stuff out of the way. And I wish I had a better, I can't really get any closer without it going out of focus. That's about as close as I can get. Here is a little transformer, and there's a couple of capacitors there. That's what I thought was going to be the problem. And then on the back here we have quite a bit of couple ICs, and I don't know if that's a MOSFET. Hang on, I gotta look here and see if I can see anything readings. That 1/8-pin, or it's a 7-pin, is RC526HA. And what's the other 8-pin right above the USB-A? Is looks like a PM9920E. Oh, there's writing on that. I couldn't see writing on that, what I thought was maybe a MOSFET. That one. I don't know what that one is. I can't read it anyway. It's on there. I'd have to throw it under the microscope. I do not know what to make of that. I was really expecting those two capacitors, or whatever, maybe all four. To be bad. I don't even know where to begin to troubleshoot that. So, well, one thing we can do here is let me get this under the digital scope. Okay, sorry, I'm going to be hand holding this. Let me get the power down so it's not as shaky. Well, maybe that's what it looks like up close, but I still can't make out that, okay. There it is, looks like a MB10F, and KED. Four legs out, and that's about it. And then here's that other chip, the TC2526HA. That's the 7-pin. And This one's upside down. That looks like a FM 992CE. But there's a lot going on that, a lot of stuff going on that little board there. I'm gonna have to do some poking around in here and see if I can find anything obvious. Otherwise, we'll have to just call this one cool to open it and look at it. But I'll take a little further peek at it. I'll be back. Well, that's it for this one. The little board, I don't think it's worth, doing anything trying to fix it. I am going to check out those chips, and I'll take off the caps and stuff and run them on my LCR meter. And we'll see what comes of that. But I really appreciate you taking the time out of your day to watch this. If you like this, please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.